To describe my experience of the Masterclass so far has been very positive. It's one thing to learn something online and have your own experience working with the content yourself, and then it's another one to come and work in relation with other people and the instructors. And my name is Alexandra Kaufman. I am a non-physician, Canadian-trained manual osteopathic practitioner and animal osteopath in Santa Cruz County in Aptos, California. I started in animal osteopathy because I had pets of my own and just worked with animals for a long time on my own until I found out about this program. And my experience with the online program has been super positive. I think that the content that was created was very strong and easy to understand and follow. And then the videos that taught the instruction of OAB, very clear, simple. I've told many people about the program because of just how accessible I think that this program is. For me, the review of this content has been very useful and helpful, I'd say. The interaction with the teachers and the students in this program this weekend has been very positive. It's a good group of people. I think that people have gelled together well. The instructors are impressive people in their own right, and they're knowledgeable and bring a great wealth of background, and it's very obvious they're professionals in their field. So it's been a really good experience.